In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually archive emails in Microsoft Outlook. Archiving is a simple way to clean up your inbox without deleting anything important. Think of it as putting messages you've already handled into a tidy storage folder so you can focus on what's new while still being able to find everything later. This quick method uses the Archive button right on the home ribbon, and it works great for single messages or batches of emails. Start by selecting the email or emails you want to move out of your inbox. You can click once to highlight a single message, or select several at once. If you're working through a long list, it helps to pick out related items first so the move feels intentional. The key idea here is that you're just choosing what no longer needs to live front and center, not removing it from your account. With your messages selected, look at the top of Outlook on the home ribbon and click Archive. The button is labeled Archive and typically sits alongside other common actions you use every day. A single click is all it takes. Outlook will immediately move those messages out of your inbox and place them into a built-in archive folder that lives in your mailbox. You don't have to set anything up or choose a location. Outlook handles it for you. After you click, your inbox will look a little lighter, and the emails you archived won't be gone. They're simply stored in that archive folder on the left side of your folder list. Because the archive folder is part of your mailbox, those messages remain fully searchable, available on other devices where you use Outlook, and preserved with their